Hi, this is Monique. I'm going to show you today how to remove audio from a video, so detach audio from a video. You can do this from any video, your personal video or a YouTube video or something like that.
Okay, so I've just started a new document and I'm going to import a video that has the audio attached to it. It's the sound of water at a lake or waves. So I'm just going to take the folder and I'm going to copy it down to the time slide and erase this little title. Now, the way you see the audio come in is blue. In the bottom of the clip, it's attached to a clip. So you can't edit it yet. So what we need to do is detach it from the clip so that we can edit the audio. So you do that by right-clicking and hitting Detach Audio. So select the clip, right-click, Detach Audio. Now the audio is going to come in green underneath the video or picture or whatever you're using. So there's a couple things we can do. We can raise the volume here. You can actually grab the volume on the slide too. You can go to reduce background noise. You can do some audio effects. You can go to audio visual effects as well. And you can choose from a whole bunch of options and things that you can do. Like you can make the audio sound like it's in a big room or a small room, or give it kind of a robotic voice or things like that. So for the next video, I'm going to show you how to take that audio and put it into kind of audio editing software. But next is the actual clip and what it sounds like.